बहुत सारे लीडर्स आप देखते हो नहीं इम्बाइब कर पा रहे हो।
The leadership now is missing the patience. एक इन्वेस्टमेंट जिसे बोलते हैं ना, इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन टीम.
कोई पर्टिनेंट कमी आपको दिख रही है कि ये बहुत सारे लोग मिस कर रहे हैं? कुछ ऐसा कुछ कॉमनैलिटी है कि ये चीज़ आपने जो सीखी है कि यार ये होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, बट बहुत सारे लीडर्स आप देखते हो नहीं इम्बाइब कर पा रहे हो?
सी, अगर मुझे आज की जो नई जनरेशन है या जो मुझे जो लगता है, वन थिंग इज पेशेंस. द लीडरशिप नाउ इज मिसिंग द पेशेंस. जो एक इन्वेस्टमेंट जिसे बोलते हैं ना, इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन टीम. पेशेंस से मेरा, आई विल रिलेट इट टू इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑन द टीम्स. इफ यू सी 10 years down the line, people were working in an organization for years together. You have examples of Tatas, Birlas, many, even the homegrown industries. So I always say, people first join a organization because of the name of the organization, but they are in the organization because of an individual leader, because they see समथिंग इन दैट लीडर, एंड उस लीडर से वो कॉपी करके उनको लगता है वन दे आर सेफ, देयर करियर इज सेफ, लास्ट बट नॉट दे सी अ ग्रोथ एंड दे सी अ लर्निंग. सी, a young team always thinks two things. One is the growth, second is the learning. What I see in today's leadership is they are missing these two. One, they don't invest heavily on the new talent. That is something I feel. And more than the investing, they don't have the patience. And it is both sides. I would say the leaders don't have the patience, and even the people don't have the patience. The new generation, next gen, doesn't have the patience to stay in an organization, do the learning, and grow. Now I see people coming, moving out 2 years, 1 year, 3 years. So, one is that, I would say, which is important. And in fact, this is most important. Investment on people is something not there. Large organizations, small organizations, HR is trying to do. See, in 20 years, 25 years down the line, HR was not that strong. Now you call it HR, you call it human resource, you have all this thing. But even those days, if you see old organizations, the Birlas or Tatas, 25-25 30 साल से लोग काम कर रहे हैं, because they could see the value in an organization, they could see the value in a leadership. I think that patience of grooming a person to the next level is missing towards, and it is at both ends, at the leader end also, at the candidate level also.